Mukarieti wa Warehouse Receipt Council Felicity Biriri na amenerete mucemania yoli Murudhuri akiwa mucemanie itari na kiguni kiria Kenya thai. Biriri awite Kenya batitikiire kuthira bakathrone ciasa sekindreyo na mirea akiwa baingi babare bethira bake mucemania yoli Murudhuri ni barabatiro mundu ne kire siasa thirushe mwaka yo 2022.
Mukaririeti ombondie kwamukira na wika maketha Kenya Felicity Nkirote Biriri awite mucemanio yoli Murudhuri yuretete mithutire minene ge siasa ori siasa ciekuraya
nteko thwani tukunidi micemanio yonto yeuthai kura icharingirwe thirika antu atongeri bathurirwe ingwe kuritwa thai antu banjirie wetwa micemanio ne one tribe another tribe, more than 42 tribes. By the time tukibuithia 42 meetings in this country for every tribe, either yanangwe karutika political temperatures witethia ire maendeleo ya karika. So ondengiwa mucemanio ya Limu 3 ntekuona yaka kwari na haja yuithira yore thai kababa ringetera towards 2027 bageta mucemanio kenda bauria nao indo terori ko bakwenda community eta nega twika more participatory no ntone MPs beto ntone MP oko nao so ntekomenya kwetha iyo ari ameiro ibari nao kwanza but I don't think it was necessary at this point in time.
Akiaria gitara mucemanio ya kweya na iteke cukuru primary Kamitongu wondine Nkomotigania West Biriri wite kweneto miki atongeria ba county Meru kuritangwe amwe konyigia makarika ya yu ateatekana basukuru.
Meru County, especially on teenage pregnancy, ibatu turego buru in some places to ikinyethia 38% na burato kubuithia tureta dilongani na skuru tukiarakia na ana betu bandaka nontu ibukumya kinya boy child kinya wetekari akaribo ega muno so itoko tukiarila bura desk kari kwetha classrooms irio iso itokwaria nana nontu burabwa ukamenta mwana kana bible yuga buroritana mwana aru mwana ke atikorolwa rira agakura so itukumya program as much as ni we improve infrastructure ni we improve equipment ni kuritana mwana oso ni kumenta mwana na ati miakera twitite tukona teenage pregnancy rate yetu ikinama tukona transition from primary to JSS to secondary school to university egitia
okaitene kawa wite kweneto migio chokia tauro cio theruke masukuru akiwa kwaga tauro iku otomana bare baekirwa yuba keria wicwira
parliamentarians betu spearheaded by the women reps ba ensure ba lobby ba advocate ba go fight for sanitary pads ichoka na choka itweke domiciled in the proper place iba with the analysis but yorira sanitary pads cha distributor wa ni Ministry of Education na rira sanitary pads cha distributor wa ni office of the woman rep ina amantu ya thukire kenda bamenya kwetha sanitary pads cha choka advocate cha choka iga distributor from the office of the woman rep kana from the Ministry of Education. I think ira chari kwa Ministry of Education tutona thina so itubuete kueleza what happened in binontu pads uchaurire na if possible in the budgeting cycle during public participation tumere twinde kenda tuga sanitary pads chana betu ni choke
Runa rombete atongeria nto kiumbe na kinya ikundi bitebia kethirikari kuongela njara ya utethio bwa tauroi.
The only problem is that gute consistency nontu muntu na arimwe rere nachio rere ati nachio na bukimenya menstruation either monthly mwana mwari eta through menstruation kuma teenage mwankarira gakinya menopause so euni about 40 years of menstruation kwa unende akwithira ukanenkerwa sanitary pad ra ukona well wisher arira ringi gutena well wisher kintu kingi tumba kubuithia nanga kuketha kwina effort ya coordinate from one office everybody oro kwenda ku donate either ka donate kwa women rep kana kwa kinya kwa member of parliament kenda itweka distributed equitably na guteketha kwina namwe kwina too much donations na nangi gutikona even a single donation.
Mkiripotera Wero TV kuma Tiania Mbeta wa Mukiri wa Mithika.